Here's the GoPro Hero version 10 and the camera is on, but the screen is not on. You cannot see anything there, neither on this display. So let's see how to make the display remain on. So I just touched this display and it woke up. You cannot touch the other one, it will not wake up. So that's not useful. So swipe down from the top and go to the second dot that is swipe to the left. Then come here to preferences. Okay, and displays, tap on displays, and screensaver rigor is set to 1 minute. So tap on that 1 minute and modify it to never. When it's blue, it's accepted. Now just step outside here to the empty area. Okay, now the front and rear screen will match. So the front screen will do the same thing as the rear screen. Match rear screen. This has the option to never turn off or match the rear screen. Okay, and now it will not turn off. Now go here to the back icon, arrow, back arrow again, and simply swipe up. And that's it. Now the camera will not turn off the display if you don't touch anything. Even if you were recording, it should have stopped after 1 minute, and in this way it will remain on. Of course, this is wasting the battery, but you can see what's on the screen. The camera itself turned off the display after 1 minute, both of them, and it dimmed the display at around 45 seconds. So first it dimmed, then it turned off completely. Now it's not dimming and it's not turning off.